goes moo, moo, moo. D is for duck, swimming in the blue. E is for eagle, soaring way up high. F is for frog, that hops and says hi. G is for goat, that loves to play. H is for horse, that runs all day. I is for iguana, basking in sun. J is for jackal, having some fun. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion with a mighty sound. M is for mouse, so tiny and small. N is for newt, crawling on the wall. O is for owl, that hoots in the night. P is for pig, rolling in delight. Q is for quail, with feathers so neat. R is for rabbit, with quick little feet. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for turkey, that loves to fly. U is for umbrella, when rain comes down. V is for violin, making sweet sound. W is for wagon, rolling along. X is for xylophone, playing our song. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, that's our